How to fix login expired on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to fix login expired on TikTok. If you are unable to log into TikTok due to this error, here are some fixes to try. First, make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can easily try switching between them to find a stable connection. Second step, open App Store or Play Store. Then tap the search icon at bottom right corner. Tap search bar at top. Type in TikTok. And if there is any update available, tap on update button to install the latest version of TikTok. If it says open, your app is already up to date. If the issue persists, it may be a server side problem. In that case, you will need to wait for TikTok to fix it. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.